Welcome back to Drug Talk, everybody. In today's episode, we're going to be discussing a very strange side effect associated with venlafaxine, or Effexor. If you notice in the thumbnail of this video, I put a picture of lightning, and that's because some people refer to this side effect as electric shock syndrome. Now, this name may seem kind of intense for some people, but other people just refer to this side effect as either brain zaps or brain shivers. Now, the unique thing about this side effect is that it's not a normal side effect in the sense that you start taking venlafaxine and over time you just develop the side effect, but this side effect in particular is actually a withdrawal side effect that happens if you miss a dose of venlafaxine, usually within 12 hours. Now, if you were to experience this side effect, how would it exactly feel? So different people report different symptoms of electric shock syndrome, but many people report vertigo, irritability, nausea, insomnia, or even nervousness. Some people describe their experience as a very brief but repetitive electric shock-like feeling that's localized to the brain. In some very rare cases of this side effect, some people actually experience a loss of consciousness or they just black out. Now, because of the existence of this side effect, the electric shock syndrome or brain zaps, again, or brain shivers, it's very important to take your medication consistently and try your hardest not to miss a dose. As I mentioned, this side effect can happen after about 12 hours of missing a dose. This could also happen if you just abruptly discontinue taking venlafaxine altogether. So for that reason, it's important that if you want to stop this medication, make sure you talk to your physician and make a plan to stop it slowly. All right, that's all we're going to talk about today with this strange side effect associated with venlafaxine or Effexor. As always, I'm very thankful you took the time to go by and watch one of my videos. And if you found this information valuable, you'd like to help grow this channel, remember you can like the videos, share the videos, or most importantly, subscribe to the YouTube channel. That's it for today. Take care.